Hello everyone, and welcome to February's Teen Take and Make. This month we are doing a miniature cross stitch, and at the end of it, if everything goes right, it should look like this. In your kit, you'll find everything that you need to make this cross stitch, except for a pair of scissors. You'll need to provide that on your own. Here we have the instruction sheet, including how to read the plan, and we'll go over that a little bit later. It has one needle, one spool of thread, the collar, and of course the cross stitch fabric. The first thing that you'll need to do is to put the cloth into the collar. And this is very easy. There's a lip on this side. You put that on the back there, and then you press it in after loosening it up. You want to make sure to get it as tight as possible. That'll help you get the cleanest end result. Once you get it in there, you just tighten the collar. After you have the collar assembled, you'll want to take your thread and cut them into 3 pieces of equal length. That'll come out to about 18 inches. You'll thread all 3 pieces through the needle at once, and this will give you a nice thick color. If you don't like doing that, you can just go over the stitch 3 times with each piece of thread, but that is a little bit harder, I think. You can use a piece of paper cut in half like this to thread the needle. Once you have your cloth assembled, you'll want to start reading the pattern. Anything that has a star symbol gets an orange stitch. Anything that has an empty square gets a cream stitch, and anything that has a black circle gets a black stitch. All that you need to do is pick where you're going to start. You come in from the back like this. Come up. The thread's a little thick, so that can be a little bit difficult to get it started. And pull it tight to a knot that you tie in the back. Then you just come over like this. You pull it through to make your first line. Then I think it's easier if you come through the back. Pull that across. And you'll have your first cross stitch. Then you'll just count stitches over and fill in the pattern from there. And at the end of it, you should have a nice orange fox. Thanks everybody, and have a good week.